So today's activity is classified submission. It's an off-page activity. So classified submission in SEO refers to the process of submitting advertisement or listing of products, services, or events to online classified websites. These platforms allow users to post ads under specific categories, reach a targeted audience interested in their offerings. If you're like posting any services, takes a minute. So here are the platforms where we can post our advertisements. Yes, okay. Huh? Is it visible now, right? The primary purpose of classified submission in SEO is to enhance online visibility and reach a wider audience. Once you like post your ads, so it reach to the wider audience. And by posting ads on relevant classified websites, businesses can increase their chances of attracting potential customers, driving traffic to their websites, and ultimately boosting sales and conversion. So whenever you are posting your ads, so you what you do is you have hyperlink your website link so that anyone can redirectly go to your website and see the services which you are offering. Okay. Then classified submission platforms are online websites or directories that allow users to post ads in various categories such as real estate, jobs, services, vehicles, etc. If we are providing any educational services or any courses, so we can post classified submissions of that too. Examples include like here are the websites: Craigslist, Gumtree, OLX, and many others. These platforms often have a larger user base and significant traffic, making them valuable for SEO purposes. Please mute yourself. So here are the importance of creating or posting advertisement in classified websites. So the main purpose is to backlinks. Posting ads on classified websites typically allow users to include backlinks to their own website. These backlinks can improve the website's search engine ranking, especially if the classified website have their high domain authority. Then has local SEO. Many classified websites allow users to target specific geographic locations, making them valuable for local businesses aiming to reach local customers. If you have any restaurant or any coffee shop, so what you can do is you can do local SEO. You can uh, do business listing for that particular business link so that anyone can interested in your nearby cafe, so they can directly go to your store. Then increased visibility. Classified ads appear in search engine results pages, which is SERPs, and can attract users searching for relevant products or services, increasing brand visibility and exposure. Then cost-effective marketing. So classified submission is often a low cost or free marketing strategy, making it accessible to businesses with limited budget. Like if we are posting ads on different platforms, so it's a free version. So there are other marketing strategies as well, like Google Ads, as you have learned in our previous class. So these were the ad sections. So then is lead generation. Classified ads can generate leads and inquiries from interested customers, leading to potential sales and business opportunities. So these are the importance and why we have to like do social bookmarking. Sorry, classified submissions. I'll just move on to the practical. Rahul, please mute yourself. So the first process is to find websites where we can load our advertisements. So what you have to do is just go to the Google Chrome and write classified submission sites. So you will get more than 100 or 200 websites where you can post your ads. So here you can see SEO Aimpoint free classified submission sites, which is in India. So you can just open that and you will get more than 100 websites here. You have to just choose the website which has the higher domain, which is like domain authority is above 40. So you can use those website. It will easily invisible to the users. Here is the website like Quicker, you have all heard about it, classified ads, sell.com, Oodle. So these were the websites. Storeboard is also the famous websites for posting classifieds and other business listings. So we can use these two websites, and here are other more websites where you can use that. So I'll just use two of the website. First is the expatriates.com. So what you have to do is just go to that website. Either you can just create account over here or just place an ad. Here's the option of creating account. Just create account, write your mail address, and it will send you a link for registration or confirming. Just go to your email address and confirm that link. Just confirm it. And here is password. You have to create a password for that. Then create. Your password has been successfully created. Then if you want to save that, you can save it. If not, then you have to just store your password and email addresses in your Excel sheet. So you have to maintain that. Just register to sign in page. Sign in. And it will automatically sign in your profile. Then just go to the, here's the ad, place an ad section. Just go to that. And what you want to like offer, if I'm offering any job or looking for a job, if I want to sell something, so you can choose the category from it. I'm offering a services, so I'll just opt for that. I'm into education section, so I'll just choose education, or you can choose any other options, which is like suitable for your business. And here's to choose the location. Just choose India and whichever your location. If right now I'm in Gurgaon or Gurugram, so I can choose that. Gurgaon. Just next. Post a title, your contact number if you want to give it, and the description and related images if you have any of that. And if you want to display your email address so that if anyone wants to email you some kind of services which you are providing, if they are interested in that, so they can easily email you for that. Okay. Before that, what we have to do is we have to create a content for posting classifieds. Okay. So here's the content. What you have to do is you have to like take a single website address and the keyword which you have, like I have best colleges in Delhi for BBA or any other program if you want to choose that. So what I did is I just go to the chat GPT and write a prompt like act as a SEO expert, write title and description. Description should be 400 characters or 500 characters. It depends on your services which you are providing for the given keywords. So if I have given this keywords for creating title and description, you have to just give that. So it will create a title. Here you can see top colleges in Delhi for BBA and description. So you can just copy that description and use in this website. That in the title section, just paste your title and contact number if you want to give. Otherwise, you can give the contact number of website. वेबसाइट पे जो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर होगा, you can also give that. Then description. Description, like this is discover the best colleges in Delhi for pursuing a BBA degree. You can just copy that and paste it here. So here is not the this website didn't given you for pasting your website address. What I'll do is I'll just copy this website address and write it here. Visit us for more information. Then you can add your website address. If you have any images, you can also add that. If you have any infographics related to that particular keyword or particular website, so you can also add that. Then just go to the publish section. So here you can see, just open this link in your new tab and just activate this. So your ad has been activated. Just copy this URL. Or there is another option. What you can do is like go to my ad section and you can easily see the posting of your ad. Posting ID here you can see, just click on that. You can see the post of yours. Just copy this link, which is given in the search bar, and paste it in your incognito mode so that you can easily see your post that is visible or not. Here you can see I have put my website address, which is vidyapan.com university. So you have to just copy this URL and paste it in your Excel file where you have to like send your assignments. Okay. Till now, anyone have their queries or any doubts? Anyone? Okay. So I'll just move on to the next website where we practical. The second website is storeboard.com. Whenever you're like posting any kind of post, so you have to, the first process is to, you have to register yourself in that particular website so that you can post your services or any other particular thing. Then please mute yourself. Okay. Just use this. So just sign up yourself with their email addresses or proper profile so that you can post ads here. Just scroll down. Here you can see business and products and classifieds. So what you have to do is add a classified. Just go to that. And you have to choose the location where you want to show your classified ads. Select a location. quickly. We have choose the location and we have to choose the services. Let's go to the education section. And here you can post your title and description. Just copy the same title and description. Okay. There's also the option of hyperlink. You can hyperlink your website link. Like I have this website address. What I can do is hyperlink my keyword into that. So best colleges in Delhi, I can use this to hyperlink my website link. Here is the option. Here you can see. Just go to that and link URL. You have to paste your website link. Then insert. So here you can see it changes the color into purple. It means your link is hyperlink in that particular keyword. Postal code, if you have, like, you can add that. That and keywords as find best colleges in Delhi. Then if you have any image, I have told you about that. If you have any images about your product or services, you can also add that. Then submit ad. So here you can see your classified ad has been saved and published successfully. So what you want to do is you can view your classified ad here. Just go to that and it will show your ad. So here you can see top colleges in Delhi for BBA, your ultimate guide to the best business schools. So just copy this URL and open it in your incognito mode so that you can see your post. Here you can see all the details which I have put. It is visible to this website. If I have created my profile in that particular website, it also shows that. Hosted by Vidyapur and website address. The main domain website is here and the particular website which I have used for the submission it shows here. Till now, if anyone have their queries, let me know. Yes, Prem, unmute yourself. Anyone have their doubts? Okay. You'll get the assignment regarding this topic. So ask if anyone have their queries. Prem, you can unmute yourself. I have give permission to you. Your mic is not working. You can just put your question in the chat box.
मैम कैन यू रिव्यू एक बार रिवाइज करवा दीजिए.
Okay. म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को। Frame, you're asking like hyperlink. How to do hyperlink? You are asking that? No. Then what's the question like hyperlink? हाइपरलिंक क्या होता है ये पूछ रहे हो आप? Okay, I'll just, as we have a website for Vidyapool, we don't have a website. What we are supposed to put as a website? So frame, because like you don't have the website, but you are doing internship in that, so we'll provide you the website. So you have to do it for Vidyapool too. I'll just reshare my screen and I'll just brief you about what I have did. So, frame, like, see carefully, okay? This time. What I did is just go to the storeboard.com website.
आंटी अंकल कौन
Anjali, please mute yourself.
राखू हारे
Okay, so the like second website which we have did. What you have to do is just register yourself in this particular website. Okay, after registering, just go to the business and products. You can see the classified option here. यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा, ठीक है? यहाँ पे ऐड क्लासिफाइड का ऑप्शन है, जस्ट गो टू दैट. देन यहाँ पे आपका लोकेशन ऑलरेडी सेलेक्टेड है, बिकॉज आपने जब रजिस्टर करा था उस टाइम पे लोकेशन भी ऐड करी थी, तो यहाँ पे लोकेशन वो ऑलरेडी है, जैसे मेरा इंडिया और न्यू दिल्ली है. तो यहाँ से मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे मेरी सर्विसेज चूज करनी है. सर्विसेज यहाँ पे फाइंड करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होता है. जस्ट कंट्रोल F करोगे तो आपको कोई भी चीज अगर फाइंड करनी है, जैसे आपका एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड है या कोई होम डेकोर का है या अदर सर्विसेज है, ज्वेलरी है, उससे रिलेटेड आपको यहाँ पे आपकी सर्विसेज फाइंड करनी है. जस्ट यहाँ पे फाइंड करो. जैसे मुझे चाहिए था एजुकेशन का, तो मैंने यहाँ पे फाइंड करा, मैंने यहाँ पे क्लिक करा एजुकेशन के उस पर. देन यहाँ पे आया कि मुझे जो टाइटल है मेरा और डिस्क्रिप्शन है वो यहाँ पे ऐड करना है. तो टाइटल और डिस्क्रिप्शन कैसे निकालना है ये भी मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया था. जो मेरा पर्टिकुलर कीवर्ड है, बेस्ट कॉलेजेस इन दिल्ली फॉर BBA, आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर BBA कोर्स. सो ये कीवर्ड मैंने यहाँ पे लिया एंड मैंने ChatGPT को एक प्रॉम्प्ट दिया, एक्ट एज ए SEO एक्सपर्ट, राइट टाइटल एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन, लाइक डिस्क्रिप्शन शुड बी 400 कैरेक्टर्स फॉर द गिवन कीवर्ड्स. तो जो मैंने कीवर्ड दिया है उससे रिलेटेड मुझे टाइटल और डिस्क्रिप्शन चाहिए, तो उसने ChatGPT ने मुझे यहाँ पे टाइटल और डिस्क्रिप्शन क्रिएट करके दे दिया. अब आपको क्या करना है, उस वेबसाइट पे जाना है जहाँ पे आपने रजिस्टर करा है. टाइटल के सेक्शन में आप क्या करोगे, टाइटल डालोगे, और डिस्क्रिप्शन के सेक्शन में जो आपका डिस्क्रिप्शन वहां पे निकाल के दिया है वो आप यहाँ पे ऐड करोगे. ठीक है, जैसे ये मेरा डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने यहाँ पे ऐड करा. देन यहाँ पे और एक ऑप्शन आता है हाइपरलिंक का. यहाँ पे वेबसाइट आप अलग से भी डाल सकते हो, बट प्रेफरेबल क्या है कि आप हाइपरलिंक करो. हाइपरलिंक किस पे करोगे, जो मेरा कीवर्ड है बेस्ट कॉलेजेस इन दिल्ली, ये मेरा पर्टिकुलर कीवर्ड है जो मैंने अपने वेबसाइट पे यूज करा है. आई जस्ट हाइपरलिंक, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है दिख रहा है इंसर्ट और एडिट लिंक, तो हमें क्या करना है, इंसर्ट करना है. आई जस्ट ओपन दैट. देन यहाँ पे जो मुझे हाइपरलिंक करना है, कौन सा मेरे वेबसाइट है उसके ऊपर हाइपरलिंक करना है, वो यहाँ पे मैं ऐड करूंगी. देन यहाँ पे इंसर्ट का ऑप्शन आएगा. देन ये की डिस्क्रिप्शन हमने ऐड कर दिया. देन जो आपका कीवर्ड है आप यहाँ पे डाल सकते हो, जैसे ये मेरा कीवर्ड था, या और अदर कीवर्ड्स हैं वो भी मैं यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकती हूँ. देन उससे रिलेटेड मेरा कोई इमेज है या कोई इन्फोग्राफिक्स है, जैसे यूनिवर्सिटी से रिलेटेड कोई इन्फोग्राफिक्स मैंने बना रखा है अपने पोस्ट करने के लिए, तो आई कैन ऑल्सो ऐड दैट इमेज एंड here. Add image पे जाके यहाँ पे ऐड कर दो, देन सबमिट। सबमिट करने के बाद आपको वैसे ही दिखेगा जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने आपको शो करा था, जैसे ये यहाँ पे शो हो रहा है। ये पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट है storeboard.com। जो मैंने यहाँ पे टाइटल डाला था वो भी यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है और डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मैंने जो हाइपरलिंक लगाया वो भी यहाँ पे विजिबल है। तो ऐसे करके आपको और वेबसाइट पे करना है, क्योंकि काफी वेबसाइट पे होता है आपका हाइपरलिंक करने का ऑप्शन नहीं आता है। तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, जो हमने पहले वाली वेबसाइट पे करा था, वहां पे जाके विजिट अस फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, आप अपनी वेबसाइट का एड्रेस वहां पे डाल दो वेबसाइट, तो वहां से आपको विजिबल हो जाएगा। ठीक है, कोई भी यूजर आएगा इस वेबसाइट पे, जैसे ये है, कोई भी यूजर आता है, अगर उसको कोई कॉलेज फाइंड करना है दिल्ली में, तो इस पर क्लिक करेगा तो इट कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू आवर वेबसाइट। तो इससे क्या होता है, हमारा वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक भी इंक्रीज होता है और ज्यादा से ज्यादा यूजर्स आपकी वेबसाइट पे अट्रैक्ट। एनी अदर डाउट? इज इट क्लियर नाउ? Okay. Anyone have their queries related to our previous class? Some of them asking in the group like they didn't attend the last class, so they want class.
मैडम लास्ट क्लास भी क्लासिफाइड एड्स पे थी क्या?
नहीं, गूगल एड्स के ऊपर थी, गूगल एड्स का बेसिक था। सम ऑफ द रीजन वो रिकॉर्डेड क्लास नहीं हुआ, रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ, इसीलिए क्लासेस अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन प्रोवाइड यू।
गूगल एड्स क्लासिफाइड,
यस,
ये टॉपिक आप उसमें ग्रुप में डालते नहीं हैं कि कौन सी क्लास होगी, खाली डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आता है, ऐसा क्यों?
ओके, आई विल ट्राई टू ऐड द टॉपिक आल्सो।
अभी तक ये नहीं पता पड़ पा रहा मैम कौन कौन से टॉपिक हो गए या कितने बचे हैं, कुछ सिलेबस है ऐसा कुछ?
सिलेबस भी है, करिकुलम भी है, एंड जो यूट्यूब वीडियोस हैं उसमें आपको प्रॉपरली दिख जाएगा कौन कौन से क्लासेस अभी तक हुई हैं, जो प्लेलिस्ट आपके साथ शेयर करी हुई है ग्रुप पे।
प्लेलिस्ट पे, यूट्यूब वाली पे?
हाँ जी, आई जस्ट शेयर अगेन इफ यू वांट दैट।
एक बार आप करिकुलम भेज दें तो सही रहेगा ग्रुप में।
ओके, श्योर।
और मैडम एक बार जैसे आपका फेस भी दिखे ना, इंटरेक्टिव रहता है सेशन, पता ही नहीं पड़ता कौन बोल रहा है, कभी कोई बोलता है।
ओके राहुल, आगे से और ट्राई। थैंक यू। सो एनीवन हैव देयर डाउट्स? प्रेम, वो जो लास्ट क्लास 6 PM आप बोल रहे हो गूगल एड्स वाला, वो मास्टर क्लास था, वो रिकॉर्ड आपको मिल जाएगा, रिकॉर्डिंग्स। No doubts regarding the session from my side. Okay, sure. असाइनमेंट्स में कोई डाउट्स है अभी तक? किस किसने सबमिट कर दिया, कितना का है? कैन आई नो दैट? Okay guys, अगर कोई डाउट नहीं है तो दैट्स गुड। अगर कुछ भी डाउट हो तो यू कैन जस्ट पोस्ट अ क्वेश्चन इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, वी डेफिनेटली रिप्लाई टू दैट।